Time to capitalize on your next bestseller. Hats are one of the easiest products to start selling on Etsy. They're simple to create, always in demand, and come with great profit margins. But with the right design and a few smart choices, your hat won't just be cute, it could also be a repeat sales machine. Ready to printify this thing and learn how to list it on Etsy the right way? Good, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create a hat that looks great but sells even better. Start by looking up hats under the accessories section of our catalog. Here you'll find everything from dad hats and snapbacks to bucket hats and beanies. But before you pick one at random and add your design, here's some things to keep in mind. Think about your niche and your target audience. The hat you choose should match the lifestyle and vibe of the people you want to reach. For example, dad hats work well for laid-back or nostalgic designs. Trucker caps are great for outdoor, functional aesthetics and streetwear, while a bucket hat with bold patterns would be ideal for festival goers. You don't have to pick one style either. As long as it works for your audience, that's what counts. Once you've picked a style of hat you want to create, it's time to think about the print method. Not all hats support the same print techniques, and each method is best for certain designs. Embroidery, for instance, adds texture and a more premium feel to the design. But an embroidered design can't contain thin lines, color gradients, or photographic elements. In that case, choosing a hat that supports direct-to-film or sublimation printing would be best. After you've chosen a hat that fits your niche and supports the right print method for your design, it's time to start designing. As soon as the product creator opens up, always click on the information panel first. Here you'll find product-specific design guidelines plus a downloadable template. This template can be used in any design program to ensure your artwork always fits the print area perfectly. Next, click the ruler and pencil icon to open the Variants and Layers menu. Click Select Variants to choose which hat colors you want to design for. From here, upload your artwork or create something new using Printify's built-in tools. Some print methods will offer specific tools to help you create and list your item faster. Like if you're using embroidery, Printify now includes pre-digitized fonts, which means you can publish text-based designs instantly without waiting 24 hours for digitization. If you're working with DTF or sublimation, you get even more creative tools. From the AI design generator, text editor, to a built-in graphics library. You can even purchase ready-made designs from Shutterstock or Fiverr. However you create your design, just make sure it fits within the dashed lines of the print area. You can also adjust, resize, or rotate the artwork by clicking and dragging the edges. Or crop it, apply a pattern, and remove a background using these tools along the top. When you're ready to check out how your design will look on the final product, click Preview. On the following page, don't forget to toggle between the RGB and CMYK preview modes. RGB is better for showing designs on a screen, but CMYK will give you a more realistic view of how it'll appear when printed. Sometimes the difference between the two color modes is minor, but it's always better to check. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click Save Product. Now it's not ready to go live just yet, but it's pretty close. You've created a product, but now it's time for the part that really drives sales on Etsy. How your product looks, how it's found, and how much it costs. Let me explain. Even with a great design, your hat won't sell itself. Your listing has to do more than just show off the product. It has to be able to create a connection with the right customer before they add it to cart. And that connection starts with your mockups. After saving your hat on Printify, head into the mockup library to edit and arrange your product images. Here you can download, remove, and even purchase additional mockups using Placeit. Show your hat from multiple angles, including close-up shots of the fabric, brim, and closure. Lifestyle shots, however, work even better, so whenever possible, use photos of real people wearing your hat. Next, fix up your product title, description, and tags. Sure, calling your item a black dad hat, for example, might be accurate, But remember, we're trying to help Etsy understand what your product is and who it's for. A better example would be titles like embroidered cotton dad hat with adjustable strap, or a festival-ready bucket hat. These types of keywords improve your hat's visibility and signal the style, fit, and vibe your customer is shopping for. Your description and tags should help reinforce that message. You're not writing an essay, you're helping your buyer picture themselves in the hat. Finally, let's talk pricing. A big mistake sellers make is pricing every hat the same, regardless of the style or build. For example, if your $18 beanie and your $35 embroidered chucker cap are both listed at $25, buyers might think the beanie is overpriced. Or worse, assume the embroidered hat is lower quality than it is. That kind of confusion creates hesitation, and hesitation kills sales. A better approach is to use tiered pricing to match with the product quality and design method, but also to create a collection that appeals to all types of buyers, no matter their budget. Let's say you have an entry-level tier with items between $18 and $20. This could feature lightweight hats or basic beanies with simple text or printed designs. Your core tier might have embroidered dad hats, truckers, or designs using specialty fabrics between $26 and $28, while your premium tier features hats with personalized designs, limited edition runs, or bundled gift sets for $35 or more. However you structure it, the idea is simple. Offer prices that meet buyers where they are, not where you hope they'll be. Once your pricing, shipping, and product settings are locked in, hit publish. Or save your listing as a draft if you need more time. You can always manage your listings in your Etsy dashboard as well. Just head to Listings, Drafts, and click the gear icon to preview or make changes. And that's it. Your hat is now live and ready to do exactly what it was designed to do: sell. You're now ready to start designing, listing, and selling hats on Etsy. You've seen how smart pricing can increase a buyer's trust and earn you more sales overall, but now it's time to get strategic. In this video, I'll show you how to actually calculate your product price for Etsy step by step, including some free tools that can help make it super easy, even if math isn't your thing. Click on the link now, and I'll see you there.